How to fix WhatsApp, enable to connect easily and fast. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp, enable to connect in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to go into the WhatsApp app, click on force stop, and then go to the data or the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and then disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Now you have to open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for WhatsApp, and then you have to click on update right here to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.